Winton School. Ko Carlie here. She is Carlie. Welcome to the N.E.W.S news for our party, the 31st of March.
Okay, let's get into te koutou or te wiki. This week's word is kakahu, which is te reo for pyjamas.
As in Kuhuna or te wiki. Kuhuna or kakahu moi. Put on your pyjamas.
Right or on? One's is all round.
No thanks. Kakahu moi, which is te reo for pyjamas.
Let's talk about heat ups, koutou.
Rule 1. Have your heat up name with your room number clearly marked.
Rule 2. Have it in the class heat up tray before school starts.
Okay, on to health and safety news. The clear sky UV forecast for today is moderate from 12 until 4.
Your potae is needed from 11, please. Kia ora.
Hi VIZ Vests. Most students are wearing them to and from school. Please do likewise.
Pedestrian crossing news. Please make sure you are crossing carefully before crossing the road.
Look right, look left, look right again, koutou.
Still on health and safety news. Bikes and scooters, everyone must walk them within the school grounds.
Otago problem solving news. You have a meeting in the library today at 12:40 with Mr. T. Kia ora.
Inter-house touch news. A big kia ora to the players representing yesterday across the road.
Aparima 13-0 over Takatimu and Waio 5-3 over Hokanui.
Today Arete play Waio and Takatimu play Hokanui. Aparima, you have a bye.
And we're eating lunch in our houses again. Aparima and Hokanui, you are eating in the junior lunch area.
Waio, you are in on the library steps.
Oreti, you're outside room H.
And Takatimu, you're outside room 4.
Oreti, you have an interval lunchtime in room 12. That's you, Oreti, in room 12 at interval. Kia ora.
And if you missed any notices, you can play the news again or read all the notices in the text box below.
Birthday news. 2 today at Winton School.
Ella Henry is turning the 6, so is Corin Me.
Rafana kia koroa. Happy birthday, you two. Have excellent 6 birthdays.
And that's it for today. From everyone here at the N.E.W.S news team, kaki te apopo. See you tomorrow.
Play fair, play hard, and support your houses, Winton School.